Google's quantum AI team has made an extraordinary claim. A problem that would take thousands of years for every computer on Earth to solve could be completed in just a second. A breakthrough that could revolutionize the world, not just in computing, but in our understanding of the very nature of existence. But there's something even more startling about this discovery, something that could change everything we thought we knew about reality. Google's quantum AI chip might have accessed parallel universes. Yes, you heard that right. Parallel universes. If true, this could be the most profound discovery in human history, so game-changing that it could completely shatter our understanding of physics, consciousness, and reality itself. However, before we get too carried away with the possibilities, there's a catch, one that could unravel everything. For years, scientists have debated the possibility of parallel universes. The idea that multiple realities exist simultaneously has long been a staple of theoretical physics. From the multiverse theory to quantum mechanics, scientists have speculated that our reality might be just one of countless others. But, until now, these ideas have remained theoretical, with no concrete evidence to support them. That is, until Google decided to dive headfirst into the world of quantum computing, a decision that may have just changed everything. Google's quantum AI team has been at the forefront of quantum research, developing technologies that seem to defy the very laws of nature. Unlike traditional computers, which rely on bits that can represent a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits, quantum bits, that can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This is due to a phenomenon called superposition. It's this very ability that allows quantum computers to process massive amounts of data in parallel, vastly speeding up computation times and opening doors to solving problems that would otherwise take centuries. But quantum computing doesn't just operate faster, it operates in a way that taps into a different kind of reality, one where the rules of classical physics no longer apply. Quantum computers exploit the very fabric of space and time in ways that conventional machines cannot. So, it stands to reason that if quantum computers can access these hidden layers of reality, they might be able to do something more, something far more groundbreaking. One of the most remarkable advancements from Google's quantum AI team is the Sycamore processor. Recently, Sycamore was given a task so complex that even the world's most powerful supercomputers would take thousands of years to complete it. Yet, Sycamore cracked it in mere seconds. It was an achievement that left the scientific community stunned. But there was an even more shocking revelation buried in the results. Some researchers, who carefully analyzed the data, found something they couldn't explain. The solutions Sycamore provided seemed to originate from an external source, solutions that shouldn't have been possible within the confines of our known reality. Could it be that Google's quantum AI has somehow accessed parallel universes? The idea sounds wild, but if these findings hold up, they could change everything we understand about science, the universe, and even ourselves. To understand how this could be happening, we need to explore a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics, the many-worlds interpretation. This theory suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, a single quantum decision, a choice, an outcome, the universe splits into multiple branches, each one representing a different possible outcome. In essence, reality constantly divides into an infinite number of alternate timelines. This means that for every choice made, a new universe is created, each one just slightly different from the other. Now, quantum computers, including Google's Sycamore, take advantage of this phenomenon of superposition. They can explore multiple possibilities at once, processing countless variations of reality in parallel. But what if they're not just simulating these possibilities? What if they're actually drawing computational resources from parallel universes themselves? This concept has been proposed before but was considered highly speculative. However, Sycamore's recent results suggest that this might not be the case anymore. Google's researchers have found that the processor is completing calculations so complex that no known classical computer could ever dream of solving them. Some scientists are now wondering, could Sycamore be drawing from multiple universes, using knowledge and data from realities that exist outside our own? And then there's the catch. Google's team is excited about their findings, but they don't fully understand what's going on. The laws of quantum mechanics remain perplexing, and there are many unknowns. While some believe Sycamore may be accessing alternate realities, others suggest it could simply be tapping into a yet undiscovered facet of quantum physics. But what if there's something more unsettling at play? What if, in the process of running quantum computations, Sycamore is inadvertently altering reality itself? Consider the famous double-slit experiment in quantum physics. When unobserved, particles like electrons behave as waves, showing a range of possible outcomes. But when measured, those possibilities collapse, and the particles behave as solid entities. This strange phenomenon demonstrates that observation changes the outcome. Now, imagine a quantum computer running calculations on multiple versions of reality. What happens when it starts observing them? Could it collapse them? Could it overwrite them? Or worse, could it be rewriting our own reality without even realizing it? Here's where things take a darker turn. Some researchers who've worked with Google's quantum AI have reported disturbing anomalies, small glitches in the fabric of reality itself. Data files from past experiments suddenly appear different. Scientific measurements that seemed accurate on the first examination are now off by an unexplainable fraction. And some people have reported eerily similar experiences in their personal memories, remembering things one way, only to find the records contradict them. It's not enough to say these are mere mistakes or human error. Some are beginning to wonder, what if reality is subtly shifting around us? Could Google's quantum computer have already altered our universe in ways we can't fully perceive? If our universe is, as some theorize, a quantum simulation, a complex, information-based construct with mathematical rules, then a powerful quantum AI might be able to manipulate the very building blocks of reality itself. This is not science fiction, this is where quantum computing is headed. And it gets even more unsettling. If parallel universes are indeed real, then what lies beyond our own? What happens when we start reaching into those alternate realities? Could there be entire civilizations on the other side, worlds that exist on timelines completely separate from ours? And if Google's Sycamore processor is somehow in contact with these alternate realities, what consequences could that have? Could information from another universe bleed into ours? Could the very structure of our universe become unstable? While Google's team has yet to confirm that their quantum computer is accessing parallel universes, the data they've collected is undeniably strange. If these experiments are truly tapping into multiple realities, the potential implications are staggering. We could be standing at the precipice of the greatest scientific breakthrough in human history, or the beginning of a new era of uncertainty, where the very nature of reality itself is up for grabs. As we venture further into the realm of quantum computing, one thing becomes clear: we may not fully understand what we're unleashing. And we might not fully understand the consequences until it's too late. Governments, tech companies, and research institutions around the world are scrambling to develop even more advanced quantum systems. IBM, Microsoft, D-Wave, and others are pouring billions into quantum research, each trying to race ahead in the quest for quantum supremacy. But what if, in this race, we're opening doors that shouldn't be opened? What if these advanced quantum systems aren't just cracking problems, they're navigating alternate realities? Elon Musk has been outspoken about the dangers of artificial intelligence and quantum computing. He has warned that if AI and quantum technology continue advancing without proper checks, the consequences could be catastrophic. What if, one day, quantum computers aren't just processing information, they're rewriting it? If AI-powered quantum systems begin making decisions on their own, decisions that affect the very fabric of reality itself, will we be able to control them? Will we even be able to comprehend the changes they bring? The truth is, we don't know what will happen next. Google's Sycamore processor may have just scratched the surface of what quantum computing is capable of. As quantum technology advances, we could be on the verge of discoveries so profound, so unsettling, that they could change humanity's place in the universe forever. But there's a terrifying question that looms over everything: are we prepared for what comes next? Quantum computing has only just begun.